So today we'll be looking at how we can work well within our workplace in order to prevent workplace disagreement or discord. Sometimes we are not even aware on how to handle issues regarding a disagreement in the workplace. And if this is not well done, it can escalate to greater issues in the workplace. So I thought I should talk about how we can work well with people within our workplace. So how do we do it? Number one is to understand your workplace policy. Yes, every organization have their policies that guides everyone within the workplace. So you need to have a read about the workplace policy and get a proper understanding. All right. So secondly, you need to set boundaries. So I would advise you do this within your first week of resuming any workplace. So if you're new to a work environment, learn how to set your boundaries. This will give people an understanding of who you are and the extent to which you can accept anything within the workplace. All right. And the next one is to have the technical skill. When I mean technical skill, I'm talking about have the understanding, have the knowledge of your work, know your onion, know your job. Because most times, if you don't know your job, people tend to gossip around you and over you. And this is really serious. So yes, know your job. The next thing we want to talk about is to ensure effective communication. So most times people don't communicate their grief, they tend to buckle up until it results into a bigger problem. So know how to communicate respectfully, firm, but effectively. And next is to do appropriate documentation. Ensure you document everything going on within your workplace appropriately through the right channel. So you should use emails and make sure you keep your workplace diaries. This will come handy in case problem escalates to an extent you'll be called into a panel. You will not understand, but just keep your workplace diaries and ensure you send, formal letters or formal emails. All right. And the next we'll be talking about is to know that your workplace is different from your social gathering and your home. So anything that is not relating to your work, please keep it aside of work. Don't bring your personal problems, don't bring your personal matters to your workplace. And another thing you need to do is to know that your colleagues are not your friend. If you're making friends with people in your workplace, you're doing it at your own detriment. So please do not take your work colleagues as your friend. All right. Then the other one I want to talk about is do not gossip with your colleagues. Because when you take a walk, you'll be the next to be gossiped. All right. So these are the few tips I have. Drop your comment if you have anyone to add, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you.